VMware by Broadcom, episode 30. Today we wanted to cover what we call a health check within ComDivision. Why is a health check now even more important than it was ever before? Health checks around the VMware infrastructure are more important than ever before because we are now basically on the tipping point where people have to switch from perpetual into subscription models, where they have to change subscription models because they bought some of the pre-Broadcom subscription models which don't fit into the new models anymore. So it's basically the time to reanalyze how have I designed my infrastructure before and how am I going to utilize it in the future. It's not a re-architecture, it's not basically a rebuild of your infrastructure, but one of our architects is going to spend time with you hands-on on your infrastructure, reviewing what you currently have, identifying potential issues. You will even get a clear actionable list at the end out of the report. We will then summarize the report and give you advice on how to utilize the infrastructure best from a performance and license perspective for the future so that you are no longer just actually walking into the blind. Why are we doing this independent from a license sale? Because we know some people are running around out there and actually do that to combine with a license sale, because our opinion is it's much better for you if you actually get an independent opinion on how you should actually optimize your infrastructure from a license perspective, because we are not actually getting any additional margin bonus or anything else out of selling you hardware, software or subscriptions. We just actually provide you that service, and with that you can be sure that you get the best what's necessary for the company. And in the end, that might save you long run hundreds of thousands of US dollars in your infrastructure. If you have any questions to this topic, write them down in the comments or ping us on social media or set up a meeting with us, and then we can look into how we can help you with a ComDivision health check in your VMware infrastructure.